Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to make a GamePass and please donate. To start, head on over to roblox.com/home and then click on Create. You'll be redirected to create.roblox.com. Once you're here, scroll down. Now tap on an experience that you have already made. Once you tap on it, go to the details on the left corner and then click on Associated Items. At Associated Items, you will now click on Passes. Now tap on the button that says Create a Pass. In here, you will need to add the details for your pass. First, upload an image. Then add a name to your pass, and then create a description for it. Once you tap on the button that says Upload Image, this will now pop up a window. In here, you will need to browse for the image for your pass. Just look for it, and then click it, and then click on Open. Then it will be uploaded for your pass. Then tap on Create. As you can see here in your experiences, there is already a pass available. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.